Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that you have become a millionaire overnight. The sun peeks through your window, highlighting the possibilities that lie ahead. This scenario may seem like a fantasy, but the reality is that with determination and strategic thinking, it can be achieved. The first step towards this dream is identifying a lucrative opportunity that aligns with your skills and passions. Whether it's a groundbreaking business idea, a unique product, or a wise investment in the stock market, the key is to spot a chance that others have overlooked. It requires a keen eye and the ability to envision success where others see obstacles. Once you have this idea in hand, it's time to act swiftly. The clock is ticking, and in the fast-paced world of finance and entrepreneurship, timing can be everything. Networking becomes crucial here. Reach out to potential investors, mentors, and partners who can help bring your vision to fruition. Their support and guidance can serve as a catalyst, propelling your idea forward and gaining traction quickly. As the plan begins to take shape, build anticipation around your venture. Utilize social media and marketing strategies to create buzz and draw attention. A well-crafted marketing campaign can create excitement and a sense of urgency, convincing potential buyers or investors that your idea is worth the hype. The more people talk about it, the quicker it can turn into a profitable venture. Choosing a scalable model will also amplify your chances. A business that can grow rapidly without a significant increase in costs is essential for generating million-dollar revenues in a short time. Think of innovative approaches that can maximize output and minimize investment while satisfying a growing customer base. Finally, maintain a mindset of resilience and adaptability. The journey to becoming a millionaire in a day can have unexpected twists and turns. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities and be ready to pivot when necessary. This level of versatility can turn obstacles into stepping stones and fast-track your financial success. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire in one day is a lofty ambition that demands vision, speed, and adaptability. With the right opportunity and an unwavering commitment, it is indeed possible to transform your dreams into reality, creating a life of financial freedom and success. The journey begins now. Seize your chance and watch your aspirations take flight.